Xerox PrimeLink C9065 and C9070 printer. How to use image enhancement. Image enhancement is an easy way to automatically adjust how your printer sees and prints a copy of the image. This button will bring out the light blue wispy skies of a watercolor and show the yellows that often do not copy. While there are a range of adjustments that can be made using image quality, it is easy to distort the image if you haven't practiced using them. From Services Home, select Copy. Go to the Copy screen, then select Image Quality. Select Image Enhancement. You cannot use any other image adjustment selections with Image Enhancement. Trying to lighten or darken the image will turn off the Auto Contrast selection. Select Auto Contrast to make an exact copy of the original, then select Save.